Want to tell about the Pakistan Resolution Day, that this day is celebrated for the achievements which the leaders of Pakistan they have gained on this day, and they were determined and they were firm about getting Pakistan. And I also want to say that when the Muslim Ummah they are united together under one flag, they can do whatever they want. Today we also wanted to give them tribute that we are with them. They were the great heroes, and we also make our students realize the importance of this day, that how they have given the sacrifices, how they have achieved Pakistan. And especially I want to add about the Kashmir, that still this struggle is continued, and we are with the people of Kashmir, and inshallah they will one day get the freedom.
कौमी दिन जो हैं वो हमारी याद दहानी होती है. इसमें हम अपनी तजदीद अहद वफ़ा करते हैं और अपने आने वाली नस्लों को अपनी इक़दार के बारे में बताते हैं, ताकि वो इन्हीं कदमों पर आगे चलें और अपने वतन का नाम रोशन करें.
Today we are celebrating 23rd March. It is the day of the resolution. It is the day which holds immense importance for the patriotic Pakistanis, and it also laid the foundation of a separate homeland for the people of Pakistan, because they were in really trouble at that time. And this resolution, it is, you can say, this day is the day of the commitment. Okay. And this struggle is still continued in our Kashmir. Like we should remember them. We shouldn't forget their sacrifices. And our founding fathers envisioned the creation of a separate homeland for the Muslim dwelling in India. And we shouldn't forget that, and we should be very proud for our Kashmiris.